Hello, I'm Curtis Broderick from Epiconcept's Framework Group, and today I'd like to show you Epicraft's new Dictionary Management Interface. This new version has a number of improvements, and most notably is that it has its own interface screen. Let's start by making a new variable. I enter the variable name and the label, and now, when I click on Edit, I go to the new interface. First, I'll give the dictionary a meaningful name. I can type in the responses one by one, and a numeric code will automatically be assigned for each entry, or I can type in my codes along with the responses. I can also just paste in all my labels and codes from the system clipboard. If I want, I can sort by the codes forwards or backwards. I could also sort alphabetically by the label name, but in this case that wouldn't make sense. You'll notice that the description tab shows the number of items for this dictionary. The other tab shows which pages and variables it is used on. Since this is a new dictionary, it is only used in one place. Let's look at a variable with a different dictionary and modify it. We'll go to the page Patient and select the variable Sex. When we open it, the first thing you should notice is that one of the options is in the Archived column. That is, this item still exists and needs to, but will not be displayed to the user. We won't delete this item because the database has many records in which the option was chosen, so we don't want to delete it, but rather just leave it as archived. As a safety measure, a dictionary item must be moved first to the archiving column before it can be permanently deleted. The other thing you'll notice is that the Usage tab shows that this dictionary is used in 5 places in the project. You can see the pages, the variables, and labels where the dictionary is used. If you'd like, you can click on the text and be transported to the specific variable or page. Notice as well that in the right column you can see which archived variables also use this dictionary. Let's return to the dictionary items and modify them a bit. We can modify the label, or modify the code, or change the order of the items by dragging and dropping. And finally, a very handy tool is the Copy Dictionary tool, which puts the dictionary items into the system clipboard. This way, you can easily create new dictionaries based on previous ones. That's it. That's the new dictionary interface. You can modify and order the items as desired or archive items. And you are also able to see all pages and variables where the dictionary is used and jump right to them if needed. I'm Curtis Broderick. See you at Epiconcept's next Voozanoo video tutorial.